This is the Aux Pro green beam laser level. It comes in this handy compact carrying case, which is foam lined for extra protection. And here we have the unit. It's very simple to use. There's an on-off button there. There's a flip open battery compartment which takes 3 AA batteries which are regularly available. And on the top you have a series of 3 buttons to further operate the unit. So by switching it on, you can hear it's got a sounder. The warning beeper will sound if it's outside of 3 degrees of level. Otherwise, because the laser is on a gimbal inside, it will self-level within the unit. The central button has a V and an H marked on it. This is for vertical or horizontal. So I can either press it once for vertical, again for horizontal, and once more, and it will give me a crosshair. The P is to give a pulsating beam, which is useful for when you're finding the beam at the furthest extent of its range. And the top button here is a padlock, and this is when it's in the off position that it actually locks the gimbal inside, and I can then angle my beam anywhere without the alarm sounding to say that it's out of level, and it enables me to pick up an angle which I've maybe pre-marked the top and bottom of it for, say, a staircase, to mark that on. The case is rugged with a rubberized outside for durability, and it's also classified to IP65, so it's splash resistant, so it can be used in light rain or where there's moisture present. It is a class 2 laser, so you need to be very careful and do not look directly into the beam. On the bottom of the unit there's a screw thread for a tripod, or within the carrying case there is a magnetic wall mount. So that simply screws onto the bottom of the unit, like so. That allows you to firmly lock it onto a steel stud. Alternatively, there's a screw hole here, so you can fix it more permanently to the wall or to timber or other substrates. And then that allows me to find my range all the way around the room, whether it's horizontal, vertical or crosshair markings that I'm looking for. Also in the carry case is a rangefinder. So this clips onto the ceiling grid, and you can then move it around the room and adjust your ceiling grid to make sure it's perfectly level throughout the whole room. The Aux Laser has a working range of 30 meters from wall to wall inside the room, but it can be increased to 60 meters if you're using the target card for suspended ceilings. That is the Aux Pro laser level.